Hi beauties! Welcome back. I am back with another skincare product, which name is the Dr. Althea Vitamin C Boosting Serum. This is a powerhouse product designed to enhance skin tone and restore natural radiance. With a potent blend of vitamins and skin brightening ingredients, this serum targets various skin concerns such as dark spots, acne scars, and wrinkles, while also providing deep hydration without any stickiness. One of the standout features is the 20% Vita Boosting Complex, which combines 9 types of vitamins with Hippophae rhamnoids fruit extract, delivering a high concentration of vitamin C to the skin for a brighter complexion. This blend is particularly effective in reducing melanin pigmentation and improving skin blemishes. Moreover, the inclusion of 8 types of hyaluronic acid ensures intense hydration, leaving the skin plump and moisturized. The serum also contains allantonin and tocopherols, known for their anti-aging properties, helping to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while promoting collagen production for firmer, more elastic skin. What sets this serum apart is its vegan formula, formulated with EWG green-grade ingredients, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Its hypoallergenic nature ensures minimal irritation, making it a safe choice for those with reactive skin. To incorporate this serum into your skincare routine, simply apply a moderate amount evenly over the face and gently pat it in for optimal absorption. With consistent use, you can expect to see a brighter, more youthful complexion with reduced hyperpigmentation and a healthy glow. Overall, the Dr. Althea Vitamin C Boosting Serum is a must-have addition to any skincare regimen, offering a comprehensive solution for improving skin tone, addressing blemishes, and achieving a luminous complexion. It's a lightweight serum that helped lighten my dark spots and even out my skin. You won't see results right away, but give it about 2 to 3 weeks and you'll start to see a difference. Definitely worth the money.